Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make our system say out the meaning of the word given as input. Firstly, we need to import PyDictionary module. It is a dictionary module used to get meanings, translations, synonyms and antonyms of the word. Then we need to import PyTTSX3 module. It is a text-to-speech library. Now I create speak definition. Then I initialize the function to get an engine instance for the speech synthesis. And say method on the engine that passing input text to be spoken. At last, I use run and wait method to process the voice commands. Next, I create dictionary definition. Firstly, we need to create instance for it to use the PyDictionary module. Now I need to get input from the user, so I use input command. To get meaning of the word, we need to pass the word in the meaning method. Then I'm passing the value speak definition to the get speech value. Then I want to execute this program continuously, so I'm using while loop function. Now let's run the program.
Noun, a machine for performing calculations automatically, an expert at calculation, or at operating calculating machines.